Hi, I'm re-renovating my bedroom, and if you missed the last episode, this is what happened. Ugh. I've been mudding for a week. I'm not the problem. I'm scared. Okay. Picked up the same paint color. I bought 2 gallons this time. I'm gonna try and one coat cover everything today. I think do the ceiling first and then do the walls so that I can catch any runs that are happening. If you're looking for the color of this room, Oxblood by Behr is pretty much it. You really don't need to go the extra step that I did. When I asked Steph, he didn't see the difference. It definitely has that untrue feel to it that I was looking for. You can find out more about that on my Insta. Go on my Insta. Okay. Ooh, see, I knew you were on. I knew it. Feel of this room, guys. The ambiance this color has already set. I'm so happy with it. I think it's going to really affect resale value. Also, I really messed up. You can definitely see, you can even see it right now. You can see the joint. I'm upset because I worked so hard to make this look good, and I spent so much time mudding, and it really goes to show how mudding is an art. Nothing we can do about it, nothing I can do about it, unless I want to take this whole thing down and redo it. At least I'm building a half wall to break up this ugly joint. This is one of those flaws that someone is gonna walk in and like see straight away and be like, who did that? Everything is covered in a fine mist of red. Even this camera, I'm so sorry. So let's take away everything, and then we're gonna start building this closet. It's just a big white spot now. Look at this. And it's not the tape's fault. You can already see in areas of this upper floor, wherever they painted the door trim white, they didn't prep the surface at all. I can feel it. It is very smooth. Now I have all this damage that I have to fix. Serious business. I think I have food poisoning. But that's fine. Thank goodness we kept these 2x3s. I only needed to pick up one more. What I'm using these for is to bump out the closet. I need the closet to end here, but the closet is not deep enough, so I'm gonna build a wall so that the closets have something to mount on. Don't forget to text your neighbors and let them know ahead of time that you're making a lot of noise, because it's nice to be considerate. Anyways, my neighbors are so nice, so it doesn't matter. Shout out to my neighbors. I'm just gonna lie down for a second. Glutes. Oh, frickin' hell. Didn't I measure? Where are the holes here? Stop. 40 inches from the floor. 40 inches. Oh no, it's 40 inches from the bottom. 40. I put it 40 inches from the top, but it's 40 inches from the bottom. So the holes are right here right now. So I have to make new wall holes. Oh no, that's not supposed to do that. I'm gonna wait for Stefan to come home. I need to lie down. I realized that I was delirious. I'm okay now. Everything's all in the clear. Okay, now how do I make sure that I fasten this so that it's holding securely to the wall? It was just that easy. That's not so bad. I don't know what's top, what's bottom. I have to brace before I put things down.
Hope you're not broken.
Those things crack so easily. Just put it on the back of this. These IKEA closets are 90 inches. My ceiling is almost exactly 90 inches throughout the area. I tried to escape the Pythagorean theorem with the, like, you can't tip a 90-inch closet to a 90-inch ceiling because the diagonal hits the thing. So I have to cut these down. One tip that I learned from this IKEA kitchen master assembler on YouTube, I'll link him, but take your cut piece off of your whatever, and you can use it as a guide to re-drill all the holes. Is this stupid? Part 2. Can I move this myself? Is that stupid? Am I being stupid? Oh, I can do this. Oh no, the shelf is crooked. That's fine. I hope it's fine. The brackets don't touch the wall. This wall is doing absolutely nothing right now. If I have to take this all down, I'll be so annoyed. I'm gonna have a think on this, but I'm happy with my progress today. It's Sunday today, and I need to lock in. And I really don't want to talk to you guys today. I'm really not in the mood. I'm gonna bring down this cabinet. I'm gonna add a row of blocking to this wall because I don't want to take down the wall, okay? I have quite a bit of spare 2x3s left. Might as well, I'm not buying any new wood. Then I'll have the surface area to mount this closet to. So I polled on Instagram just to double check. I wanted to build the closet straight to the floor because the doors are gonna go straight to the floor anyways, and my floor is pretty much level. And I spoke to a cabinet maker. Shout out Haley, thank you so much. I had some spare studs. I went outside and cut a quick little frame together, and I'm gonna build a base because it's just better to be safe. But because you could stabilize the closet to the base that's on the ground, this entire wall that I just added blocking to this morning, unnecessary. I just love wasting wood and fasteners. It's a hobby of mine at this point. We're still not talking though. I gotta lock in. So I got this outside corner, and my original plan was to do skinny shaker on all 4 edges of each door. If I have skinny shakers all around, it kind of makes it look too bulky. What I'm going to do is, imagine these are 2 doors, and I'll only have the skinny shaker around the outside perimeter. The only problem is that I can only find mahogany. Yikes. This is no bueno. It's so splotchy. I need to find oak. Maybe that'll help. I got some sample stain. I'm gonna do my first cut. I'm gonna do this test door. I'm terrified. This is the only home hardware in the GTA that carries oak outside trim. This is my very last piece of trim, and if I mess this up like I've been messing up on all my last cuts, the curse and joy of woodworking. It sucks so bad, and then when you get it right, it's just so good. Okay, ha 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 ha. I glued everything inside. It's very windy today, but so I hand sanded everything before putting it all together, and I'm gluing everything up now. What a beautiful day today though, eh? Three more to go. Forgot to set this up. 2 more to go. Done. I'm gonna put up this closet. Today, I think I'm gonna be able to mount the closet onto all the extra things that I've built for no reason. For this closet on this side, what I did was I cut all these 2-inch blocks and I attached it to the closet first. This is for my trim piece. When I close the door, I want the door to be flush with the trim on this side. That's why I put these blocks flush to the frame of the door. It's just gonna look really nice. I did test pieces of trim with mahogany. It just doesn't look the same. I found the only Home Depot in Toronto that sold oak outside corner. I picked up a bunch. They're a little pricey, very pricey. So I cannot make any mistakes. I bought some contingency, but I cannot make mistakes. But anyways, I made a test oak door and mounted it. It worked great. I put together my first door, committed to it, and I'm gonna hang that after I mount all these closets. Nails of the month. These are maybe one of my top favorites. Legs. Pretty good. I'm still so nervous. It's my very last hole. I'm not replacing this. He came running in. The windows
was fuck. Oh.
Came busting in the door.